Hi, it's Pinky Shah with Fairway Mortgage. Today I'm going to ask you to replace your negative thoughts about a person with kind thoughts. I've been doing my meditation with Headspace every now and then, and I'm doing a pack called Generosity. And it suggested, which I liked, the idea of anytime you have a negative thought about another person or yourself, replace it with a kind thought. And really the or yourself for me was really huge because that's where I tend to have the most negative thoughts, and I have to remind myself to be generous with myself as well as with other people. So try that out today. Let me know how it works out for you, and obviously try to keep the momentum and do it for more days, but let's start with one day where anytime you have a negative thought about another person or yourself, you replace it and think of something kind about that person. Pinky Shah here with Fairway Mortgage. I hope you have a kind and generous day.